Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm making an analysis on the pound USD for Monday, the 21st of October 2024. You are so welcome to the channel. So we're starting off on the monthly time frame because this is the end of week analysis. And for me, I think the pound has been a downtrend and we've had this sort of range. I feel like this was like the breakout of the range and the pullback. And I still feel like this candle might close bearish, or rather I hope that it closes bearish so that, the sells can be confirmed, because I have been on the sell side and we can see from the Fibonacci retracement, we are at the 78.6% Fibonacci level. So let's see how this month closes. Weekly time frame, making high highs and high lows. We had a rejection on this support level here, quite a strong point. We could see it was valid for quite some time. Okay. Okay, well, at least we have a couple of points. We have this point here. Yeah, quite strong, quite strong. So we had a rejection, and I still think that maybe price might pull up a bit before heading down, because I'm really hoping that maybe from this week we can start getting a breakout from this trend line and even this level here that was quite strong. And yeah, maybe continue pushing downwards, because I have been on the sell side. So just a matter of waiting and see. If at all we do have a rejection, I think we might expect something here as well. But yeah, we'll just wait and see. Going over to the daily time frame. So this is the daily time frame. I had a wedge, rising wedge here, and I think we have like a nice breakout from the range. So for me, I'm waiting for a pullback at around either this level or anywhere around here. And in case you were wondering why, maybe let me just take my Fibonacci tool. So from the bottom, or the top to the bottom, and we can see we have a 38.2% fib around this level here. So it's quite ideal. And we also have the 50 and the 61.8. So just waiting to see. But yeah, I'm a short-term buy, and then maybe look for sells around one of these levels here. And then, yeah, just hopefully we just see how it goes from there, because I can't really, speculate too much. Okay, going over to the 4-hour time frame. Sorry, wait, let's just look at how last week's candle closed. We have sort of a bullish candle here, and I think we might continue this momentum. So 4-hour time frame. Now I had this trend line over here, and the main reason I didn't really push it towards this level here, I know this is the most recent swing point, but I feel like we had 2 points here. And I think for a trend line to be valid, we need at least 3 touches. So for me, I don't know if I'm right, but for me, I feel like price has broken out of this trend line. I feel like this candle here was sort of like a breakout and then a retracement. And then, yeah, I'm hoping that price might push up. So yeah, currently just hoping for price to continue pushing upwards. But let's go to the 1-hour time frame so that you can see what I'll be waiting for on the 1 hour. Oh, and also in my last video, I was speculating that I wanted a bullish 4-hour candle close here, and I did manage to get an entry around that candle there. I don't know if I targeted. No, I waited for a retracement, so my stop loss was pretty low, and I was able to get 60 pips. Yeah, but maybe when I go to the 1 hour, we'll see that clearly. But basically, I'm just hoping for now it can continue pushing. I want to enter on the retracement, and then we'll see how far this buy might go. But I'm just on a short-term buy, and then we'll just see what happens next. But yeah, maybe let's look at it from the 1 hour. Yes, in the 1 hour, it was a nice candle that formed over here. I hope you can see it, this candle. And I entered using that 4-hour candle, and then I waited for a retracement, and then I entered around here. I wanted to get a lower entry. Sometimes I do make entries using the 4-hour candles, but when you do that, the stop loss can be quite big, and I try to avoid big stop losses because I only target 60 pips. So yeah, and I was able to get a nice buy. So we'll just wait for next week. So we can see that here on the 1 hour, we can sort of see clearly this was last week's low, and I normally have these margins, but I'm going to push them. But we can see this was last week but one's low, and price broke above, retraced, closed with a nice bullish candle here. So for me, from next week now, maybe let me just move this so that now we can make it clear. So for me, I would like to now see either, I'm waiting for 2 things, either a break above Friday's high, and then maybe wait for a pullback, and then look for those short-term buys. If not, let me just see where the moving averages are. Let's see. Yeah, so we have the moving averages here. They bounced off it. So I'm waiting for breakout above Friday's high, or if not, maybe a double bottom on this level here, and then push it up. But I don't really think if price might go down again, but I'll have to, like, I'll just be aware and see what's happening. Anyway, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Basically, I'm looking for a long either around this position here, targeting 60 pips, or above Friday's high right there. Hey, okay, so yeah, that's my bias. To be honest, I'm not looking for sells. I might change my bias, but for now, this is what I'm looking for. But yeah, ideally, I'd like something like this. I don't know if it would come back to down here, but yeah, something like that would be easy, or even here would be cool. All right, so let's just look at the dollar index quite quickly. I'm going to just do the weekly time frame so we can see what's happening. Okay. So yeah, the dollar index pushing up. We had quite some momentum here. I think because of the news and everything that's happening. Nice close here. There's some strong candles, but I think for the dollar as well, I'm waiting for a retracement. If I take my Fibonacci retracement tool, you can see that we have the 38.2, similar to the pound as well. And yeah, it is a level. You can see it is a level here, here. So yeah, this would be cool. If it can make like a deeper retracement, that would also be fine, because yeah, I think deeper retracements towards the 61.8 or the 50, the golden zone, would be cool. And then yeah, I've been biased to the upside on the on the dollar. I hope I'm making sense. Anyway, please comment on what you think. Let me know. For the news on Monday, we don't have any news. Significant news on Tuesday. We have some news at 4:25 East African time, GBP news. And I think from there, we'll just see what the market is doing. And for us in Kenya, because I'm based in Kenya, we have a Mashujaa holiday here where we celebrate our fallen heroes who, you know, fought for our country. So wish us a happy Mashujaa Day. Anyway, have a good week, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.